knee injury. Okay, so you're going to bend the knees. You're going to jump, long jump and high jump. Spread the knees like this. High jump and long jump like this. Breathe, inhale, and exhale. If you don't have any knee injury, then you can jump. Okay, then taking the arms to the side and pressing the feet, both the feet, inner feet, toes are inside. Turn, slightly turn both the feet in. Okay, breathe, inhale and exhale, taking the arms to the side and lifting from the sideways, grounding both the, lifting the inner groins, lifting the inner legs and outer legs. Taking the right foot out 90 degrees, left foot slightly in, but keeping the pelvic facing forward. Especially the right pelvic, right side of the trunk is facing forward. Breathe, inhale and exhale, and slowly go for Trikonasana on right side. Breathe. Keep taking the arms up, higher and higher, higher and higher, higher. Roll in, taking the arms away from each other, taking the shoulders away from each other, open the chest. Right side of the chest, right side of the trunk, you push it forward as much as you can. Both the arms, you make them straight, fully straight, but also the trunk, you make the trunk straight as much as from both sides, you elongate. But for that, to elongate the trunk, you need to take a good distance. So when you're taking the distance in between the feet, there should be 4.5 feet distance for Trikonasana. 4.5 feet. So if you take a measure, so it will be less. So there should be enough distance for the feet, in between the feet. Okay.
I want to ask, the other hand should be facing inward or outward? Like when we are down,
To the
this
front.
hand,
To
the
the front.
palm,
To the
front.
front.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So now taking the arms, taking the right feet in, taking the left feet out, rolling both the knees out for now, as you will be in Trikonasana. Breathe, inhale and exhale, lifting from both sides, rolling both the knees out, roll the thighs out, and push the chin back, push the chest back. Keep taking the head in line with the hip. Breathe in line with the tailbone. Back of the head in line with the tailbone. So breathe, inhale and exhale. Breathe, chest open. Extend, stretch the front chest forward, left chest forward. Breathe, inhale and exhale. Keep elongating the both sides of the trunk, taking the arms away from each other. Breathe. Sharpen your fingers. Stretch your palms. Stretch your fingers. Tips of the fingers are going towards the ceiling. Breathe. Shoulders are going away from each other. Elbows are going away from each other. The wrists are going away from each other. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Very slowly come up. Taking the left feet in and slowly come back. Okay. You can check your legs if you want. And then one more time, you take the hands and breathe, inhale and exhale. You're going to jump out, high jump and long jump, and take enough distance. The jump should be 1 and 2. Okay, but this jump should be higher and longer. If you don't have any knee injury, then only. Okay, if you have a knee injury, then don't do. So one more time, you're going to come in like this, and you are going to jump up. So up and out. The arms will also open with the leg. Okay, as you will open the leg, your arms will get open. Okay, one more time we will try. Jump in. Or one more time, jump out. Up and up. Yes. Now breathe in. Now when you're jumping, you jump with the control when you're coming out. So do not make a lot of sound. Okay. So try to make a soft. So come. So one more time. So I can hear your sound of the feet, both of you. So when you're coming in, you don't jump. So you don't make sound. Okay, with the feet. So in, jump in, jump out now. Breathe. No, I heard the sound. Okay, one more time. Jump in. And jump out. Yeah, one more time. Jump in. You are still making sound till you will keep making sound. I'll keep making you to do. Jump in, bend the knees and jump out. Bend the knees, jump in. Bend the knees, jump out. Bend the knees, jump in. Try not to make a sound. One more time. Jump in, jump out. Jump in, jump out. Jump in. What happened?
I think she doesn't have a mat, इसलिए sound हो रहा है.
Who? You doesn't have mat?
I have mat. I think Anu doesn't have a mat. She's jumping on the floor. That is why making.
No.
My
No
floor
problem.
is not making noise.
It's okay, but you can do as exercise also. That's why.
I have a carpet here. That's why it doesn't make sound.
No problem. So just do 10 times jumping. I want you to jump. So it will make a kind of warm up. Okay.
Okay.
Jump in. All together. Jump out. Jump in. Jump out. Jump in. Jump out. High jump and long jump. Jump in. Jump out. Jump in. Jump out. Jump in. Jump out. Why your sound is not coming, Manisha ji? Because your mic is muted. Now I will hear. Okay. One more time. Jump out. Jump in. Okay. Jump out. Jump in. Come on. High jump and long jump. When you're jumping, you are jumping with the straight knee, Manisha ji. You have to bend the knees. How she is bending. You have to bend the knees, then jump up and out. Okay? Yes, like that. Okay? So one more time. Jump in. Bend the knees, jump. Yes, jump in. Jump out. Okay, 5 times you jump, then you release. You jump out, jump in, 5 times. Yeah, do it fast. But with the bending knee, no, it is not, no. Manisha ji, it is not exercise. You have to do with the bending knee how she is doing, see? ये वो exercise की तरह नहीं करती. You have to do is the progress. Jump in like a spring. You have to jump like a spring. With the bending knee. Jump. Now you do 5 times. She has done enough. Yes. Not fast. Yeah, sound is coming. Okay. Now slowly release. And then you go and hold the elbows. You lean forward. And breathe. Very slowly come up. Do the holding of the elbows and come up. Release. Bringing the feet together. We are going to jump out. We have done the Trikonasana. And we will do Virabhadrasana too. So turn the right knee out, right feet out, right foot turn out, 90 degrees, and left feet slightly turning. Okay. Now breathe, inhale and exhale. We are going to bend right knee. I hope you have taken the distance 4.5 feet more. So for this asana, no, you don't have to go for the ground. For this asana, you need a more distance. So we are going to do warrior two. So keeping the body at the center, so pressing the left foot and going and bending the knees till the thighs come parallel with the floor. Bend. Breathe. Keep taking the arms to the side. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Keeping the arms. Do not hyperextend them. Keep looking at the center. Do not look to the side. Keep looking to the front, where the chest is facing. So you will see your trunk has turned inward towards the right side. So you turn your trunk to the face trunk, to face forward. So see, release, straighten your legs, come back, and then turn the feet in. Now you will see. You can bring your legs together. Okay. Bring your legs together. Now see, I will do. When I'm doing my trunk and knee, I'm facing forward. Okay. My arms are going to the side. This arm is doing his job, and this arm is doing his job. So it is not going higher and higher. No, both are stronger. Both are rolling strongly in their direction. But the trunk is not going anywhere. Not this side, not this side. Staying at the center and breathe. Just the knee are going. Just the one knee going this side. So see, I'm standing at the center. The trunk is facing to this way and bending the knees. Bend the knees. So when you're bending the knees, thigh is parallel with the floor, and also the knee should not cross the ankle. You know what's the ankle? This is the ankle.
Yes.
So knee should not go like this. So bring the knee and keep the knee in line with the ankle like this, not like this. The knee should not go higher than the ankle. So check your side. It should be 90-degree complete. Slowly straighten your legs. Straighten your knees, come back. Then very slowly bring your feet together. Okay. Let's do one more time. You jump out with the legs and taking the right feet turn out. Okay. Enough distance. And take the right, bend the right knee. Do you have a block with you?
What?
Do you have a block, yoga block?
No, I don't have.
Okay.
This is I have.
If you have a yoga block or if you have a chair, I can say. If you have a chair, keep it, behind the foot, behind you, on the right side. Okay.